comics and craft fairs, I'm always looking for science content, and that's how I ended up with a few science comics and zines. In 2013, I picked up these two at the East London Comic Arts Festival. Hepatic Portal by MX Regulus is a collection of comics with a very strong biology and medicine theme, but it's weird. It's very weird. In one of the comics, called Y Balls, a woman orders a pair of eyes over the internet, and she gets them delivered straight from the computer screen to her eye sockets. And that's just the beginning of the comic. That's not yet the weird stuff. So it's all very surreal. You really have to like that sort of thing. But there is one comic in there that I really like. It's called Professional Phagocytes, and it's a song that you might be familiar with different words. They see me roaming the veins and patrolling, they know that I'm wide and silly. And then the red blood cells go, yeah, we know you're wide and silly, got a phagosome in your belly. At the same festival, I bought this adorable teeny tiny little comic in a tea bag. It's called Teabag Theories, and I have a number 2 out of a series of Teabag Theories. This comic is written and drawn by Andy, I can't pronounce his last name, Poyaki? I'll put the link in the description below, and then you can figure out how to pronounce his name. And when you take it out of the tea bag, it is basically just a very long strip of paper that's folded into a little book. And this one is about Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, and it's being compared to brewing a cup of tea. It's very British. On the back it says, allowed to cool before evolving into millions of unique self-sustaining organisms. And finally, this summer I visited Summer in the City Creator Day, where at the exhibit hall there was an arts and crafts table with a couple of exhibitors, and I visited the table of Maddie Vian. You might know her as Maddiology. I'll put a link in the description below. And one of the things she was selling at her table was this zine called Apollo 11, which was created by a collective that she's a part of called Little Door Collective. And I love this, it's amazing. It's a zine about the 1969 Apollo 11 mission to the moon, and it's kind of mocking all the conspiracy theories that have developed around the moon landing. Each page is drawn by a different illustrator, but their styles all match very well, so it becomes a very coherent little comic book. I really like this middle page, How to Fake a Moon Landing. Maddie's page is this one. Oh, I lost it now. Here we are. The zines I showed in this video are all from UK events, but you can buy all of them online and they're all quite affordable, so I'll put links in the description, and make sure to support independent artists, especially if they make funny science comics.